If you're Caribbean like me, you know cooking a full course meal is learned by age 12. Here I am at age 26 learning how to make Haitian black rice on YouTube University. I overheard my husband telling his friend that his favorite dish is fried fish, fried plantain, and dili jonjon. So now I'm like, I want to learn how to make that. But today we're not making the fried fish. I'm going to learn how to make that another day in a separate video. I have not mastered standing in the kitchen for 40 days and 40 nights like a Caribbean auntie. For the rice, I boiled the black mushroom, poured it in my ippies, which is a natural seasoning, and beans. Added white rice with 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. No jus off. I don't care what flavor it adds. I'm sorry. My plantains were burnt, but at least my rice came out fine. This is what my husband had to say. My husband's gonna be trying the dili jonjo and the fried plantains. I'm a little nervous. Okay. Give your honest opinion. Honest, like 100% honest. You can. I don't care.
That's good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like though? Does it taste like Haitian, not just rice? Does it taste like Haitian black rice?
Yeah, it does. This is Jimmy Jordan? They use these pews?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Can you be picky?
I can't. I like food. I love food.
You're so nice to me. How am I supposed to get better if you keep giving me good grades?
This is good. The banana pizza is good. The rice is good. Salmon is good. It's all good.
You know.